Welcome back to River Funsies. And on this episode, we're going to be in Landa Lake, volunteering with Atlas Environmental, helping them remove some invasive species. So appreciate the access to Landa Lake and thanks for letting us help out. So here we are, getting ready to get in. Got your bank board, got your spears, got your wetsuit. It's good to stay well equipped. And once you get in the water, you never know what you're going to expect. In the Landa Lake, it's a mix of different types of environments. It's this kind of grassy area like this. The currents can be very swift in some areas, and in some areas there's not much vegetation, but it varies between 5 to 6 feet deep in most spaces. It's the same water that comes up in the San Marcos River through Spring Lake, through the Edwards Aquifer, so it's relatively warm and it's very, very clear. Same kind of invasive species inhabit this area, tilapia, plecostomus, and so that's what we're looking for. And here's your target, and this is what they look for in their environment. They find little spots in between the grass and the rocks, and that is a pleco. And this is a slow-mo of a lineup to hit one with a 3-prong spear. And as soon as you hit it, you want to drive it right down into the muck so you're sure it stays on the spear and you can pull it off and put it in your bank board. And not sped up, that's how fast it goes, just like that. So this is a transition area where the current's pretty strong and it could get a little murky in some low light areas. But that's what you got to do. You got to go to where the fish are, and you got to sneak up on them because you're not going to outrun a fish. Not in these environments. And this type of grass you're going to find in the areas that has more current, and you want to look between the grass because tilapia make beds like sunfish or perch do, and under the grass sometimes they get behind the grass to be out of the current. So you kind of have to look around everywhere for these fish, and you have to work real hard if you want to get the results. And here's some footage they've used already, but it kind of shows the difference from the very clear water with no obstructions you have to swim through to the very thick, weedy, grassy, slimy water you have to work through to get your fish. And you work hard, you'll see results, and practice makes perfect. So thank you for watching this episode. We are unpaid volunteers when it comes to invasive removal, so please subscribe to my channel and we'll make more videos for you. Have a good day.